In this video, I will show you how to check page speed inside. So this is the useful feature of Google page speed. You can check for your website. Just you have to insert the URL and submit. Wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. So here you will get a brief result for this particular website or page. So loading experience is slow, performance score is 91, and here you will see test mode like desktop, and here you will get all detail which you need and which you analyze here. So thanks for watching. You can use easily without creating account and without you need to fulfill a captcha. Just visit this site, enter the URL and submit. You will get result. Thanks for watching. Comment if this video useful for you or not.